Hi there. For today's mnemonic strategy assignment, the device I chose is acronym, and it's going to be for an English middle school class. That's normally around the area you start seriously thinking about essay writing, and I think having this acronym would have really helped me in middle school because I was always way too wordy in my introduction, and I think this would have helped break it down a bit, and also this will help students not focus on how to start the essay. You know, I feel like once you get started, you can really get going into that essay. So I chose quack. The first one, the Q, is a question. You can start your essay out by asking a question. That's always a great way. Another one is an unexpected fact. I feel like right off the bat, when you're reading someone's essay and you get a crazy statistic you've never heard of, that's pretty cool. The next is an anecdote or a story in simpler terms, including a fun story, whether it be about you or the person the story is about. I think that's a good attention getter. The next one is controversial statements. I put a little exclamation point right there because you obviously have to be careful with that one. You know, be mindful of people's boundaries and beliefs, obviously. Again, it kind of depends. I was a little hesitant on this one. I don't know if I would honestly put this in here if I was teaching a class. But that's up to you. Obviously, some topics, I think it's great to include that, but for middle school, I'm not sure, but high school, definitely include that in there. And then K, the fun one, kidding around. Put something fun in there, be creative. I think the kids would probably like the K the most. But again, it would depend on what form of essay you guys are writing. But yeah, quack, there you go.